Step 1. Investigate the website's background. Begin by researching the basic background of the website. Look up the domain registration information using WHOIS lookup tools to determine when the site was created, who registered it, and where it is hosted. If the site was registered recently, it could be a red flag, especially if there is little other evidence to show long-standing trustworthiness. Additionally, check whether the registrant information is publicly available. Scam websites often hide their ownership using privacy services. Furthermore, examine the domain's expiration date. A site with a long-term domain registration is more likely to be serious about its business than one with a short-term registration. Step 2. Analyze the website's design, structure, and content. Legitimate online stores tend to have professional, clean, and consistent design across their pages. Carefully explore the homepage, product listings, navigation menus, and checkout system. Be wary of inconsistent fonts, poor grammar, broken links, and low-quality product images. Check whether key pages such as About Us, Contact Us, Shipping Information, Return Policy, and Terms and Conditions are detailed and functional. A genuine shop usually offers full transparency about how it operates, how customers can get help, and what they can expect in terms of shipping and refunds. Step 3. Look for trust seals and secure connections. Reputable websites often use security seals such as SSL certificates, indicated by the HTTPS // in the URL, and may display badges like Secure Checkout, McAfee Secure, or Verified by Visa. However, these images can be faked. You should click on the trust badges to see if they link to a real verification page. If they are just images with no validation link, they do not count as real security endorsements. Also, examine the payment methods available. Secure platforms usually support payments through credit cards or PayPal, offering buyer protection. Avoid shops that only allow payments through untraceable methods like wire transfers or cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Examine the business information and contact details. Every legitimate e-commerce site should offer clear and verifiable contact information. Look for a business address, customer service email, and working phone number. Ideally, the shop should have a physical location listed, which can be verified using tools like Google Maps or business registries. Send a test email or message to their support address to see if you get a timely and professional response. Poor or no communication is a strong warning sign. Some scam websites either provide fake contact information or never respond to queries. Step 5. Search for external reviews and real customer experiences. Type the shop's name into Google followed by words like review, scam, or complaints. Look for third-party reviews from platforms such as Trustpilot, SiteJabber, Reddit, Quora, or YouTube. Pay attention to whether reviews are detailed and describe real shopping experiences, including delivery times, product quality, and return experiences. Be skeptical of overly positive reviews with generic language, as these can be fabricated. You can also use advanced search techniques like reverse image searching product photos to see if they were copied from other shops, which is a common scam tactic. Step 6. Check social media presence and public engagement. A real business typically maintains an active presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Search for the brand's official accounts and examine how long they've been active, how many followers they have, and whether they interact with customers publicly. Look at the comments under their posts to see whether people are reporting problems or praising the brand. Social proof is a strong indicator of legitimacy. Lack of engagement, disabled comments, or fake-looking followers may point to inauthenticity. Step 7. Conduct a small test purchase. If the website passes most of the above checks but you're still unsure, place a small, low-cost order as a test. Use a secure payment method that offers dispute resolution, such as a credit card or PayPal. Carefully document the ordering process, including confirmation emails, estimated delivery timelines, and tracking numbers. Once the package arrives, inspect the item for quality, accuracy, and condition. Take photos and compare the received product to the website's description and images. If your experience is smooth, this could be a sign the store is legitimate, though one successful order is not proof on its own. Step 8. Test their customer service and return process. After your test purchase, try contacting customer service with a question, complaint, or request for a refund or return. This will help you evaluate how the company handles post-purchase service. A legitimate business typically responds quickly, follows a transparent return policy, and offers reasonable solutions. On the other hand, if your message is ignored, met with automated or vague replies, or your refund is denied without justification, this is a strong indicator of a problematic business. Honest customer service is a key element of a trustworthy shop. Step 9. Review scam detection and online security tools. For an added layer of verification, enter the website's URL into tools like ScamDoc, ScamAdvisor, Guidancesoft, or VirusTotal. These platforms analyze site reputation, technical infrastructure, and history of fraud reports. Keep in mind that no single tool is perfect, but if multiple sources give the site a low trust score, it's a reason to proceed cautiously. Some of these tools also provide user reviews or background information such as how long the website has been in operation and whether it's been blacklisted. Step 10. Summarize your findings and decide your stance. After completing all previous steps, compile your findings into a clear conclusion. If you discovered consistent transparency, verifiable business credentials, positive customer feedback, secure payment systems, and a successful test order with reliable customer support, you can reasonably conclude that the site is likely legitimate. On the other hand, if you encountered red flags such as hidden identities, fake product images, poor communication, and negative user reviews, you should advise others to avoid the shop. Present your conclusion fairly, stating that your assessment is based on current information, and advise viewers or readers to do their own checks before purchasing. Step 11. Reverse image search product photos. One of the most effective ways to detect whether a shop is authentic or simply reselling copied listings is by performing a reverse image search on their product images. This can be done using tools like Google Images or TinEye. Simply right-click on a product photo and select Search Image with Google. If the same photo appears on multiple unrelated websites or is associated with well-known brands, it may indicate that the image has been copied and the store does not actually own or produce the items. Authentic businesses typically use original photos, while fraudulent shops often scrape images from other sources to create fake listings. Step 12. Investigate shipping and fulfillment claims. Thanks for following along with this guide. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with others who might be unsure about online shops. Stay alert, stay informed, and shop smart.